Happy weekend, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Miss JD for our weekend episode of our daily stock market insights. And in this video, I am going to check out our major stocks in the country and probably the most trending ones. We'll see. But basically, I just want to check how we performed last Friday. So hopefully, some of these stocks I will be reviewing are in your portfolio or maybe nasa watch lists ninyo. So stick around and I hope you'll get valuable insights out of this discussion. Okay? So I am Miss JD for those who are watching this for the very first time. I do review stocks in the Philippine market, US market, or even cryptocurrencies. So let's begin. And by the way, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always updated. Let's check out the index first. I am projecting PSEI, and last Friday, uh, it's a nice green 0.54% increase with some 298 million on foreign buying. So foreign investors are already showing interest in the Philippine market. We just had a temporary setback there, pero uh, tumuloy-tuloy. Nag-cross, officially cross siya sa MA20 line, nakikita niyo naman dito. And then, nag-pull back ng konti. Pero last Friday, nice green recovery. So, I am anticipating na magtutuloy-tuloy siya. Paakyat. Okay? So, kasi, ba't ko naman nasabi yun? Dahil, if you are to look at it, itong kanyang downtrend. Okay, I mean uptrend in the short term, uptrend siya, and yun ang kanyang mga support areas. Okay, so if I'm to look at it, ito yung uh, support na china-challenge niya right now kasi officially na-cross na tayo sa MA20 line and dito normally pag nasa taas ka ng MA20, yung MA20 will act as a support. Now, but if I'm to remove that, we are also respecting this channel. So each time it goes up, it creates that higher high. So, ang lagay nito ngayon, if you are to, there will be continuation to the upside, aabutin yan siya dito somewhere at the 6,782 area. Could be a little higher or lower. But in short, we are respecting this uptrend channel. So, anong ibig sabihin yan? Ang mga top 30 stocks that are part of the index, posibleng magkakaroon ng parehas na sentiment. Most of them could be recovering, most of them could have a continuation or might have a continuation to the upside. But titignan natin yan, iisa-isahin natin silang lahat. Okay? So, I'd like to first go and check out uh, the most trending ones, yung highly traded. Punta tayo kay BDO. BDO, si BDO nag-pull back temporarily dito sa somewhere at the MA20 line. And what's good? So for the past few days, while I was recording my insights, I was saying that medyo nagpo-pull back pa siya, the resistance area na siya. But what's nice is that yung pullback niya hindi ganon kalalim. We've stayed at this level for several days at gumawa siya ng support sa area na yan. And last Friday, interesting because kahit Friday, normally profit-taking day yan, but it's the reverse that happened in BDO as well as the index overall. There was foreign buying. And what's nice is that that volume or that increase in the price was paired by right volume. At saka sa area pa ng bounce level yung kaniyang pag-bounce. So sa saktong-sakto sa support. So what do we mean by that? There could be a continuation to the upside kay BDO. So I will not just neglect this part though kasi pang short term, mga uh, intraday traders, posibleng this will play an important part. Ito being a support, ito being a resistance. So pag lalaruin nila yan, that's a good 6.4%, right? Especially pag may high volatility intraday, sobrang ganda yan sa kanila. They like volatility, especially the traders because dyan sila nagkakapera. So, aabangan nila yan. Start with a daily chart, daily time frame, tapos they will expand it. So in the daily chart, they say, okay, good na tong pasukin. Then lalagay nila yan sa faster time frame para maka-time sila ng tamang pagpasok because intraday may akyat babayan. So they want to maximize their potential gain by waiting at the bottom and then they sell it at the higher level. Okay, so yan ang current status ng BDO. We are very near our support, slowly triggering more bullish actions in the coming days. AC, CAC ay gumaganda na rin yung volume niya if titingnan mo. So, always remember, pag akyat ng isang stock at ang volume umaakyat din, ibig sabihin, there's a good market sentiment right there. Hindi lang kakarampot na tao ang may gustong pumasok. Because sometimes, especially pag mga small market or small cap, ito kasi big, consider dyan big market cap stock. Kasi yan yung volume or amount sa market cap niya. Pero may mga stock na mga 5 billion lang, sometimes millions lang. Madaling ipagalawin yan ng kahit kukonting tao. Make sense? I hope it makes sense. But ito, pag ang volume umaakyat, that means significant amount and a good number of investors are really into it. And yan ang gusto natin na setup. Hindi yung extreme pero ang volume, extreme price change pero ang volume maliit. So ito, maganda itong movement na to kasi madami sila. There are more investors coming in and showing interest in this stock, especially itong foreign buying. Now, hindi pwede in the world of stock market na straight line lang yung pag-akyat niya. Yes, overall, andyan yung buying sentiment kasi may volume, pero there will be days along the way na may pullback. Gaya nitong nangyari dito sa May 12 and May 15. Nag-pullback siya, pero ang galing lang kasi nirespect niya itong MA20 line. So sa pag-pullback niya, after that, it continues to move up. So chances are, especially ang green na candlestick last Friday, hanggang sa taas, big sabihin walang rejection. All the way till the market ended, andun, pataas ng pataas yung price. Wala siyang wick. Itong wick na ito sa taas, ibig sabihin yan, it got rejected somewhere here at the 702. People felt that it's a bit expensive. They took profit and ended the day at 672. And like in this case, ang sentiment talaga, bibili talaga sila. Kaya hanggang sa dulo, diyan natapos, right? It started at 682, umakyat ng bonggang-bongga at natapos sa 694. So, there will be a possible continuation na akyat pa to. Bakit? If you are to look at it on a weekly chart, malayo pa tayo. Tingnan mo to, ang ganda for the past 2 weeks. Galing tayo sa baba. Kasi, saan ba tayo? Titingnan natin, where are we in the overall picture? Ang baba pa. Ang laki ng pullback niya. Nag-stabilize ka dito. Actually, may, tawag nito, may fluctuations din siya eh. Tao nag-uurong sulong pa. Tama na ba ito? Mura na ba to? O hindi pa? Kaya may urong sulong pa yung presyo. Pero slowly, tumataas na ang volume. Napakagandang setup sa mga investors. Lalo na sa mga investors, ang price area na ito, 667. So we're in the weekly chart. Ibig sabihin, sa bawat candlestick na ito, isang linggo yan. So, dito, anywhere pag bibigyan kayo ng chance ng 667, go na. Pwedeng-pwede na yan. Right? Anywhere from where it is at right now, kung maka-discount ka pa, mag-drop yan by tomorrow, take advantage of it and look at it long term. So itong Ayala Corporation is also part of the index. Safe company, big market cap, So at the same time, yung kita nyo yung D na ito, that's for dividend. This stock, kahit matagal man umakyat, you feel safe because you're compensated while waiting. Madami yan, madaming mga stocks na ganito sa Philippine market, even the US market. At the same time, my guidance is kapag bago ka pa lang, concentrate on blue chip companies. Tingnan mo ang mga stocks na, magagandang niche. And maybe I can create another video to share anong magandang companies, not exact company, but businesses na pwede nating silipin or i-consider if you're just about to start your journey in the stock market. Now, let's talk about MOND. Si MOND, I'm in the weekly chart. Overall, kita nyo, itong gitnang ito, that's your MA20 line. Moving average in the past 20 days. So, yan ang galaw niya. And for the past how many weeks, ang sentiment pababa. Right? You see that? Kung gagawin ko tong isang line, tama pababa siya. So, balik tayo sa candlestick. Ayaw na. Ano ba yan? Doesn't want to change. Okay. Balik tayo sa daily chart. Let's try this. Hello, ba't ayaw niya na mag-change? Wait lang. I have to refresh. Nasa mond na tayo. Yun. Balik ka dito. Mond. Okay, si Mond. We're now in the daily chart. Okay, itong mapapansin kay Mond, no? For the past how many months? Nung first quarter or last quarter of the year hanggang sa first quarter of the year, flat yung volume. Ang liit, wala masyado interested habang bumabagsak siya. Ngayong babang-baba na siya, the volume is starting to grow. Ano ibig sabihin yan? People feel na medyo mura na siya, pumapasok na sila. Unti-unti na silang naglalagay. And yung mga big players, hindi nila isang buong inilalagay yan. Unti-unti yan. Kita mo? Para silang nagtitiptoe, naglalagay, para hindi nila biglang ma-push yung presyo at hindi mag-create ng ceiling play na tinatawag. Hanggang sa makapasok na sila lahat. But slowly, a lot of them are getting in. Kaya ang volume, makikita mo yung cloud, umaakit na siya. Kasi dumadami na. Especially for this day, ang laki ng volume. This day drop, nag-gap down siya, pero may ito yung tinatawag na hammer ba? Parang hammer ito. Ang hammer pag bumagsak at nag-show sa support area, that could mean a possible change in direction. Magre-reverse na siya. Okay. So, yan ang nangyayari at the moment. I'm not saying in terms of fundamental solid to. You have to do your research. Tingnan nyo. Okay? Not exactly the best setup. Negative 17% down sila dito. Negative 501% down sila dito. So, it's not always a guarantee na mura siya dahil promising yung setup sa chart, papasukin mo na siya. You can, no? You can enter in this stock for that exact reason. But if you want to invest, think again. Kasi when you say investing, that means patutulugin mo yung pera mo dyan for the long haul. Pero, bakit yung mga traders kahit hindi solid yung fundamentals pinapasok? Because they're looking at the chart. They're trading it based on technical analysis. Kasi nakikita nila ng potential na after a few days or weeks, they could benefit from it because nagpa-fluctuate, nag-start na magpasukan yung mga traders at saka aakyat siya. So pag naka 11-12% sila, lalo na pag malaki yung nilagay nila, that's a noticeable gain. Pasok mo dito 844, pag apak niya ng 10 pesos, nagte-take profit yung iba. Oh, o 10, 15%. Yan lang ang galaw. From 842 to 962, you already get a 14%. May isang 100,000 ka nilagay, what? That's 14,000 pesos kaagad. So, people can still engage in this stock. You just have to be sure ng purpose mo. Bakit mo siya papasukin? Okay? Um, my stand here is that technical wise, you're at the bottom. Promising setup for position trading that at one point when you reach a resistance level or a level you're happy to gain profit or you're happy with your profit, you lock your gains or exit totally. Yun. So there are so many gameplays sa mundo ng stock market, hindi one size fits all ito. Sometimes may mga itong mga technical indicators na to, mga tools na ginagamit ko, mix and match, ginagawa nila dyan. So ako, mina-match ko ang Bollinger Band sa RSI and the volume and candlestick. Then I make a conclusion out of it. Yung iba, ginagawa nila may MAs, no? MA20, MA50, MA100, kino-combine nila yan. May mga iba pang tools. So, ang suggestion ko dyan, you have to choose a tool na magwo-work sa'yo and stick to it. At first, pwedeng hindi ka profitable, pero makukuhaan mo rin ng timpla yan until such time you become proficient at it. Basta stick ka lang sa napiling mong indicators and practicein mo siya. Ako, since 2017, ito na ang aking set of indicators. So, basang-basa ko na siya, isang kita ko pa lang, alam ko na yung kwento niya. Right? Kasi yan na ang tool mo eh. Para kang nagra-ride ng bike. Eventually, if you use your bike every day, may iba-iba ka ng tricks na lalaman dyan. So, for example, gamit lang ang itong mga charts, indicators na ito. Pag ang presyo, nakikita kong bumabagsak na siya at yung aking RSI ay umaakyat na. It's not my term, ah. This is not Julie's or Miss JD's term. Ito ang tinatawag na bullish divergence. Bumababa ang presyo, umaakyat ang RSI, bullish divergence yan. So ano ibig sabihin yan? Any moment from now, pwedeng umakyat na ang presyo. So, yan siya. So, create your analysis out of the indicators that you are using. Now, balik tayo sa all stocks. So, I was able to review BDO, AC, MONDE. Si Ali naman. Si Ali, for several days, ito lang yung galawan niya. Para siyang range trading. Ang range trading ay yan lang siya na area nagre-respect. Pagbaba dito, gumagawa ng support, nagbabounce siya dyan, at pagdating dito sa taas, you get rejected. So, parang andyan lang yung laro niya. So, ikaw, kung gusto mong laruin ito, you can wait for that opportunity na pagbaba niya somewhere near the 2578, pasok ka, pwede ka mag-exit halfway or pwede mong hintayin hanggang dulo, then you get a 12% potential gain. Pero isang masasabi ko kay Ali, one of the good stocks as well in the country, Ayala yan, and nasa mababang presyo siya kasi if you look at it long term, ang layo ng binagsak niya. Okay? Binigyan ka ng opportunity at this price level. Kung titingin ka, if you look back, yung price level na yan was the same from February of 2014. So this is a good opportunity sa mga taong may pera at hindi alam saan ilalagay, saan mag-invest. Consider investing in the stock market at you will see, for instance, kay Ali lang kay Ali makikita mo na maghihintay ka, you get compensated through dividend. Dami nila, di ba? Madaming stocks na nagbibigay ng dividend. Ito, 0.52, March, parang twice a year ito nagbibigay. So dito, uh, Mababa lang. Yung percentage niya parang 1% per year. Okay, so yan si Ali. Um, tingnan ko si ICT. Si ICT, nagpo-pull back. When I see this kind of pattern on a weekly chart, so ibig sabihin every candlestick, no? Since October 2022, dito, nag-pull back siya dito. But October 2022, nag-reverse. Nagkaroon ng bullish sentiment. Pero for the past 3 weeks now, nakikitaan mo ng weakness, bumabagsak siya, and ito, nasa baba na tayo officially. Last week, it was confirmed we're below the MA20 line. So my sentiment for ICT is it could continue. It might pull back some more kasi people are still in the profit-taking mode. So hintayin nyo lang maganda itong ICT. May dividend din siya, pero I feel that you can still get it at a much cheaper level. Isa nyo pang pwedeng matutunan. Kung kanina I mentioned bullish divergence, there's also what you call a bearish divergence. Nag-hit siya ng resistance, no? Nag-pull back, umakyat ulit attempt, pero nung umakyat na siya, yung kanyang RSI, bumababa. Kumonti ng kumonti yung gustong pumasok. Kasi they feel na medyo on the expensive side na siya. Right? So, hintayin nyo lang. ICT will still pull back potentially. May mga foreign selling nangyayari. So, think, ditong area na to, abangan nyo. Let's observe. Anyway, araw-araw naman natin ginagawa ito. Let's observe how the stock will perform as it reaches 168. Okay? So, yun lamang. I think in this video, I have covered BDO, AC, MOND, Ali, and ICT. I can record another one. Let me know if there's a stock that you'd like me to include, okay? So I can prioritize that. In the meantime, thank you for watching and bye-bye for now.